Brainard Tower, Archer 33121 with Papa, 8 miles north, inbound landing.
Archer 33121, Brainard Tower, enter the left down runway 2 and report midfield.
Enter left downwind runway 2, report midfield Archer 121.
At a distance of about 7.2 nautical miles or 8.2 miles, we're traveling over Bloomfield, Connecticut. Shout out to my friends above Philly Street. Originally part of Windsor, Bloomfield was called Winterberry, from the 3 neighboring towns of Windsor, Farmington, and Simsbury. It finally became incorporated in 1835. Look at this stunning scenery over Bloomfield. If you guys are into outdoors, you guys have to check out the parks down here in Bloomfield. Stroll along the river, enjoy a bike ride, or simply relax with calming sounds of nature. Bloomfield is waiting for you, so grab your gear, hit the trails, and experience the beauty this town has to offer.
Alright, electric fuel pump's going on, mixture's full rich, landing lights on, fuel pump's on, wingtip lights is on, we're on the right tank, everything is in the green. We are reporting a left downwind for runway 2. Beautiful Memorial Day weekend. Jump on the 45 here for runway 2. Alright, 3 miles out, slowing down. In the light, 1 notch of flaps.
I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Good Flight out of Wyndham, Connecticut. Learn how to become a pilot or go for a ride up in the air over Connecticut. Give them a call today at 860-234-7419. Be sure to tell them Alpha Kilo Warrior sent you.
$1,500. 2 miles out. Archer 121 reporting midfield, left downwind runway 2.
Archer 121, the wind 020 at 5, runway 2, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 2, Archer 121. Get myself parallel to the runway. Okay, looking at that white tank to the straight ahead. Need to power up 1700. We're at 1,000. Left base.
Thanks for watching my point of view landing into Hartford. Enjoy this first-person look at what it's like to land. Be sure to check out my other two parts if you missed them. Links will be at the end of this video. If you liked any part of this video, please take the time to hit that like button and subscribe for more aviation entertainment content.
Full flaps.
Archer 121, you connect to Charlie into the T's with me. You have a good afternoon, have a good morning.
Charlie to the T's with you there, Tower. Have a great morning. Enjoy your weekend.
Coming up soon, you as well.